For today's Friendly Know-How, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-enroll ng disbursement account sa SSS Online. In this channel pala, I'm creating videos about helpful tips and basic how-tos. Help me promote my channel by liking and subscribing. Para makapag-enroll ng disbursement account online, kailangan lang natin magpunta sa kanilang website, sss.gov.ph. Piliin ang Create My SSS Account or Login. Click Login. Mag-sign up using your account. Select Sign In. Get PIN. Meron kang marireceive na OTP sa iyong registered phone number. I-enter mo lang yung PIN and then select Login. Mag-agree lang tayo dito sa Data Privacy Notice. So, scroll down and then click I agree. Ngayon, i-click lang yung Services, Disbursement Account. And then, scroll down at i-certify natin to. Click I certify and then click Proceed. As you can see, I don't have any active disbursement account yet. So we have two options available, either bank enrollment or e-wallet like GCash or PayMaya. But please be reminded that if you're planning to apply for a salary or calamity loan, dapat ang piliin natin is bank enrollment. Dahil dito kine-credit ni SSS yung mga proceeds or loan natin. For now, bank enrollment ang pipiliin ko. Ilagay mo na rin dito kung alin bangko yung gagamitin mo, and then ilagay mo yung bank account number and i-confirm mo na din. Then, select Next. Next, we need to upload the following documents: proof of account, one valid ID, and selfie with valid ID and bank account number. Since bank enrollment ang pinili natin, i-upload lang natin any of the following: ATM card with account number and name or validated deposit slip. Here's the list of IDs or documents na pwede natin i-submit or gamitin. Kung wala ka pang valid IDs, pwede kang kumuha ng police clearance or NBI clearance at yun ang i-submit mo. Kung okay na, i-scroll down lang natin and then click Next. I-check and review lang natin yung mga information na i-provide natin. Kung okay ang lahat, i-certify lang natin by checking this box and click Enroll. As you can see, you have successfully enrolled your bank account details to SSS, but please be reminded that it's still for branch approval pa din siya. So most probably, we need to wait for at least 3 to 5 business days para malaman kung talagang approve siya. We will be also receiving a confirmation email about our enrollment like this. Kung okay na ang lahat, click done lang. And hopefully, sana nakatulong itong quick video natin. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.